All right, we are in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. We are looking at a Patis home in Maribella. I want to point out the tile roof and the nice paint. Upgraded landscaping. We're doing this video for an out-of-state client that's going to probably be putting an offer in today. I'm going to kind of show you the area. This is on a corner lot. Directly across from the lot is a little gazebo area that you can enjoy. Nice lake. I'm going to shoot down the side here. As you can see, it is an oversized lot also. Very big. Taken care of very well. And now we'll walk inside and you can take a look at the inside. It does appear that this is the end of the road, or the cul-de-sac, which makes it real nice and quiet. It's quiet back here anyway. Venetian Bay is a great community to live in. Nice golf community. And now we will walk inside and take a look at the home. The sellers are here, so we will keep them out of the video the best we can. Want to show you, as soon as you walk into the home, what it looks like. We'll back up here and show you what this area looks like here also. Nice tile, nice paint. We're going to walk into the master. That is a king-size bed. It goes out to the pool area. Very nice size master bath. We have a double vanity, garden tub, and we have a walk-in shower. And then a walk-in closet. Actually, a shower, I don't mean a walk-in shower, I mean a shower enclosure here. And I want to show you here, let me back up here. It's actually could be handicap accessible with some minor changes. The house does have tile throughout. Here's another view of the walking out of the master. Very bright. And now we're going to go to the laundry room. I want to show you all the good stuff at the end. Huge laundry room. The appliances in here do not come with the property. Directly through that door is the garage. Every garage looks the same, so we're not going to video that. So show you some architectural detail here. I'll show you the kitchen. All the appliances come with the kitchen, minus the refrigerator. The refrigerator will not be included. Nice kitchen. Here's a shot of the backsplash. Countertops. And then let's come around here. Flat top stove, microwave and oven. Everything looks really nice in here. I want to give you a quick shot of the looking out of the window. That is a tinted glass, so it's not like you're going to melt there. It does get hot, but you're not going to melt. You'll see that from outside. Here's one of the other bedrooms. That bed is a full-size bed, so you can easily get a queen in here. It is a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So what we'll do is we'll walk partially in here. We'll enter it from the other direction. Here's your shower stall. garden tub. We'll shoot down the hallway here to the other bedroom, and then we'll go into the bathroom. This would be the guest entrance to the bathroom. And then this is what makes it the Jack and Jill on this side. That looks like it's a king size bed. So this is a good sized room, as you can see. It is painted up nicely, nice and neutral. And if I didn't mention, this is a Paytas home, one of the better builders, and they're actually a custom builder here locally. And I just noticed, let me show you actually how big this shower stall is. It's actually pretty huge. You can see there how far the wall goes back. I just want to point that out. Again, with minor changes, this could be handicap accessible. And now we're going to go into the great room. And it's a pretty great room. Ceiling fan, everything painted nicely. Big room, tile throughout. That's probably like a 60-inch TV, so it shows you how big that wall is. 70 actually. I'm not a TV guy, so I don't know. But that's a massive TV. You can see the bar area. Then we'll go out here. This is why we moved to Florida. Little cabana area, and we'll show you the cabana area. These are some things. The TV is leaving. It will not stay, but they are going to be leaving, of course, the gas grill, both the refrigerator and the kegerator. And it's really nice out here. It's obvious they use this area a lot, and you can see how big the pool deck is and everything. Nice pool with a spa. And of course, this is the shallow end here, and this is the deeper end. They do have some stairs over here on the side. It's just a really nice place. Shot from here in the back. Shades are nice, they stay, of course. And then I want to show you here, they got some nice banana trees back here, and nice little peekaboo lake view. It looks really nice. And we're going to end the video with this. Hanging out back here by the pool, and we'll let you know how it works out for us. This is a for sale by owner that we're looking at, and we already have an offer on it. And we'll see you.